all subjects. But today it's going to be math and music. So if you guys remember when I was here last week, you were all learning about the area and perimeter and how to find area of shapes. And so today we're just going to do a little activity about finding area. I'm going to give each of you a card with a shape on it. You will be responsible for finding the area of your shape. And then I will gather all of the areas that you found on the board, and we'll kind of go through each one. You all will get an instrument, and you'll be responsible for playing your instrument on a specific number, and we're going to kind of make a song that way. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can raise your hand throughout. But if you remember, area is the number. This is all on grid paper, so it's pretty simple to find the area for all of these. We either have whole cubes or half cubes, so there's no quarters or anything. It's not going to be too tricky to find the area. And the area is the amount of cubes, or the number of cubes on the inside of the shape. So if you have any trouble finding your area, some of the shapes are a little silly looking. If you have any trouble, you can just raise your hand and I'll come and help. And go ahead, and if you feel like you're going to forget your area, you can just write it up at the corner so you don't forget whenever I come around and collect all of the numbers. Okay? Do you have a question? Okay. We'll wait for everyone to find theirs, and then I'll go around and collect them. It'll be a couple of years, so I'm not sure it'll be
Just put away in the seat, okay? I don't really need to know.
All I would do is put a little, another cube right here, and it would be a full rectangle, but it would be 12, and all I do is take it away, and then it would be 11.
Yeah, that's great thinking. That's perfect. Yep.
This is an L. Actually, an R. I don't know what it is.
No, you're supposed to find the area
All I can do is
of your shape.
an imaginary box right here. That says O. And like, yeah, like.
Okay, I'll give you just a few more seconds to find your area. Just so you can write it down so you don't forget it.
Yep, 9. 8. My area of the shape is 8.
Did you hear her say to write it down?
No, I wouldn't.
She just said it. She just said that like 3 seconds ago.
Okay, if I can have everyone's attention back up here, I'm going to go ahead and go around and collect everyone. So I'll just point to you, and you can read off your area from the video. I'll start with you. On the back over there?
Mark, what's your area?
8.
8? And how about next to you? Did you find one?
17.
can erase those other problems if you need to.
Okay. And up here.
What are you doing?
Go back. Yeah. 12. Okay, now yours. Okay, now what I'm going to do, you guys will have, let's see, we have, smallest number was 4. So how about 4, 7, and 8? You guys will be in charge of playing your instrument whenever I point to the number 4, 7, or 8.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Okay.
Okay, and your group will be, let's see, we have 9. 9 and so 9, 10, and 11 will be yours. And then over here will be 12. Anybody higher than 12 and 17.
And 18.
Is there? Oh, okay, so 12, 17, and 18 will be yours.
What about 14?
Is there a 14? Did I miss that?
No, it's 14. I said 14.
Oh, you did? Okay, we'll just add that down here. Okay, what number was your group in charge of?
Oh wait, no, I forgot. I actually no. I kind of did read it.
Okay, so what was your number?
Mine was originally.
Okay, so are there any questions on how we're going to do this? Once you have your instrument, you know what number you'll play on?
Is ours 7, 8, 9, 4, 8, 7, 4, 6, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. But what about the back people? 9, 10, 11, 4, 7, 9, 4, 7.
What was your number? Three numbers? 12, 17, and 18. So you'll be 12, 17, and 18 also. And then what were your numbers? 9, 10, and 11. So you'll be 9, 10, and 11 also. And what were your numbers?
4, 7, 8.
4, 7, 8. So you will also be 4, 7, 8. Okay? All right. Pretty close to here. Okay. You have these, so you can either use the stick like that, or you can just use your hand. You tap it lightly, don't hit it too hard. Okay?
If you hit it too hard,
That just make a nice sound.
I got It's a big. class is chopping.
Okay. I will go ahead and give you.
Guys, keep your instruments quiet.
Hold them still or set them down if you keep them quiet. I will give you about 30 seconds to don't go too crazy, but you can kind of play with your instrument for 30 seconds so you can get used to kind of the sound that it makes and how you play it. So go ahead and start that. About 30 seconds.
Yeah, or you can just shake it. You can do that, or you can just shake it. Okay. Once we start, you can pick up your instrument and make sure you're not making any noise with it unless it's on your number. So again, you guys were
4, 7, 8.
4, 7, 8. This group is 9, 10, 11, 12, 17, and 18. Okay, we're going to go really slow the first time just so you can get used to where you're supposed to play your instrument.
Guys, your instrument.
Before we start,
Shouldn't hear any instruments unless it's your turn to play. We know everyone told you at least 3 times and you still did it.
yeah, let's go ahead and keep the instrument. And then if we have time, we can switch up the instruments. But let's just keep the one that we have for right now. All right, is everyone ready? Make sure you're all looking up here so that you know what number we're on. So we'll start out really slow, and if we do well the first time, we'll speed it up and do it again the second. If we have time, we'll see how it goes the first time. All right, ready? You guys learning? So the whole time that I'm pointing to your number, you can play. So you can play it once, or you can play it a couple quick times. But once I move on, then you need to stop unless it's still your number. Okay, ready? Go.